Welcome to CUREYA. Today's we talk about malnutrition. So, what is malnutrition? Malnutrition refers to when a person's diet does not provide enough nutrients or the right balance of nutrients for optimal health. Causes of malnutrition include inappropriate dietary choices, a low income, difficulty obtaining food, and various physical and mental health conditions. Malnutrition can lead to short and long-term health problems, slow recovery from wounds and illnesses, a higher risk of infection, difficulty focusing at work or school. Protein malnutrition. 1. Lacking all nutrients can lead to kwashiorkor, which is a severe form of malnutrition. One symptom of this condition is a distended abdomen. 2. Marasmus is another potential result of severe nutritional deficiency. A person with marasmus will have very little muscle or fat on their body. In April 2016, the United Nations General Assembly adopted a resolution proclaiming the UN Decade of Action on Nutrition from 2016 to 2025. The aim is to ensure all people have access to healthier and more sustainable diets to eradicate all forms of malnutrition worldwide. Dietary vitamins and mineral deficiencies: calcium, osteoporosis, rickets, tetany, iodine deficiency, goiter, selenium deficiency, Keshan disease, iron deficiency anemia, zinc, growth retardation. There are 4 types of malnutrition, according to the World Health Organization. This includes deficiencies, stunting, being underweight, and wasting. Each type of malnutrition stems from a unique cause. Future threats. There are a number of potential disruptions to a global food supply that could cause widespread malnutrition. Global warming is of importance to food security, with 95% of all malnourished peoples living in the relatively stable climate region of the subtropics and tropics. Breastfeeding. As of 2016, is estimated that about 823,000 deaths of children less than 5 years old could be prevented globally per year through more widespread breastfeeding. Treatment. Here are some steps for treating severe malnutrition. They are to prevent or treat dehydration, low blood sugar, low body temperature, infection, correct electrolyte imbalances, and micronutrient deficiencies. Among those who are hospitalized, nutritional support improves protein, calorie intake, and weight. Thanks for watching. Make sure hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends and family.